Welcome to Michigan in Focus, powered by thecentersquare.com. This episode features a piece by Center Square contributor Carly Moran, headlined, quote, "Bipartisan Bill Ensures Michigan Mental Health Insurance Coverage," end quote. Here's the story. Insurance coverage for mental health and substance abuse treatments is now law in Michigan after Republicans and Democrats came together on legislation. Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed Senate Bill 27 on Tuesday, requiring insurance companies to cover both issues to the same degree as medical coverage. House Democratic Caucus Chair Sarah Anthony from Lansing said, quote, "Michiganders' mental health is no less important than their physical health. No one should go without the care they need because they can't afford it. That's why this bipartisan legislation requiring comprehensive insurance coverage for mental health and substance use disorder services is so vital. I am grateful for my legislative colleagues on both sides of the aisle and Governor Whitmer for coming together to recognize the importance of mental health care coverage and delivering results for the people of our state," end quote. Inpatient, outpatient, and emergency services and prescribed medication all fall under the bill's classification of treatment. Mike Harris, a Republican from Waterford and vice chair of the House Insurance and Financial Services Committee, said, quote, "Physical and mental health go hand in hand, and both are important for living a happy, healthy life. This law will guarantee that health insurance coverage includes mental health care, so Michiganders can access critical services and treatments. Protecting holistic care will support healthy bodies and healthy minds," end quote. The content of the bill codified into state law the wording of the Federal Mental Health Parity and Addictions Act of 2008. Marianne Huff, President and CEO of Mental Health Association of Michigan, said, quote, "The signage of Senate Bill 27 is a signal to all of us in this state that the tide is turning. In other words, mental health and addiction treatment is viewed as being as vital as physical health care. There is understanding in 2024 that the brain, the mind, and the body are a unified system," end quote. This podcast was made with the assistance of AI technology. Please subscribe and thanks for listening.
Are you tired of news that puts politics over people? At the nonprofit Franklin News Foundation, we believe in putting people over politics by delivering nonpartisan news and audio content that serves you, the American taxpayer. With Franklin News Foundation, you can read fact-based, state-focused news for free at thecentersquare.com. You can listen to civil, balanced conversations between policy experts through our podcast network at americastalking.com. Or you can get in-depth news on K-12 education spending, curriculum, and school safety at chalkboardnews.com. It's all free through Franklin, where we put you, the American taxpayer, first in every story, episode, and conversation. And it's only possible through our supporters. Together, we can produce content that puts people over politics and brings Americans the news they deserve. Become a supporter today at franklinnews.org/donate. Once again, that's franklinnews.org/donate.